Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me on my channel where I would like to impart upon you guys the fun and joy of cooking at home. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So a couple of tools that I like to use. Basic chef's knife. You guys remember the Miracle Blades? This Miracle Blade set also came with a set of 4 steak knives. I still have those, and a paring knife. These are the restaurant at home tools. Here's my little arsenal of cutlery. And my other couple of go-to tools, a good pair of tongs. They got the little locking mechanism, so when you slide that in, they open up all the way. Nice metal, got like the rubber grip on them. Just pull this out and it locks in place. And another tool I like to use is a spatula. And as you can see, the handle broke off. This was probably about that much longer. For some reason, being close with this spatula works for me. Just a regular old broken spatula. And if you don't have a set of measuring spoons, and then of course if you do not have one, a good measuring cup with easily identifiable markings on it. Can't even explain to you how important this is when you're cooking. I would like to take this opportunity to explain just a little bit of who I am. I've been cooking like almost all my life. I've been in the kitchen. I used to work at the original cookie company. This is going back to, when did I work there? 1990, 1991. Bennigan's, Steak and Ale, Red Lobster, Daryl's Restaurants, if anybody remembers Daryl's. I've worked in a lot of restaurants, but my passion always lies in the kitchen. I love cooking. I love getting in with my hands and just making stuff. And I like to experiment with different flavors to see what works, what doesn't work. And though I might not have had any formal training in the culinary arts, I've picked up a lot of tips and tricks along the way. There's nothing like being able to create your own dish, coming up with your own flavors. There is nothing special that a restaurant does that you can't do in the comfort of your own home. And you also know where your ingredients are coming from. What do I want to say? Let me gather myself. Is that what I want to say? I like that.